Thousands of perfect white scallops move beneath a freezing mist. Each piece is Seheen's way the frozen scallops, seal them inside clear packs, and send them towards stores across Korea. The process looks simple, but the clean white meat inside each package began inside a rough shell pulled from cold seawater. Before a scallop reaches this final line, workers must protect its texture through washing, opening, trimming, sorting, freezing, and inspection. A small mistake can damage the meat or break the cold chain, so the entire factory moves with quiet precision. To understand how raw scallops become a finished product, we must leave the packaging room and return to the moment the refrigerated shipment reaches the factory door.
The first challenge is temperature. Scallops are highly perishable, so the shipment remains cold from the landing site to the
The first challenge is temperature. Scallops are highly perishable, so the shipment remains cold from the landing site to the processing room. Workers inspect the containers, measure the temperature, and examine the condition of the shells. Damaged shells, unusual smells, or signs of poor handling can cause an entire batch to be held for closer testing. Accepted scallops are poured onto the receiving conveyor. From this moment, the product moves in one direction through the factory. Clean zones are separated from dirty zones. Water drains away through channels below the equipment. Tools and contact surfaces are made for repeated washing and sanitation. The factory has not opened a single shell yet. First, every scallop must pass through a powerful cleaning stage that removes the sea from the outside.
Inside the washer, cold water strikes every shell from several directions. The rushes loosen sand.
Inside the washer, cold water strikes every shell from several directions. Rotating brushes loosen sand, mud, and small pieces of marine growth trapped inside the deep ridges. The scallops tumble gently, but the equipment must not crack the shells. When the cleaned scallops emerge, workers inspect them again. The shells now reveal differences that were hidden beneath the dirt. Some are large and heavy, others are too small. A sizing system separates them into groups so the opening stations receive scallops of similar dimensions. This keeps the work steady and protects the delicate muscle inside. The shells still look rough and ordinary, but behind each one is the round white piece the factory needs. The next stage is where the scallop changes completely.
Opening a scallop is precise work. The two shells are held together by one powerful adductor muscle. That same muscle is the part most consumers recognize as scallop meat.
Opening a scallop is precise work. The two shells are held together by one powerful adductor muscle. That same muscle is the part most consumers recognize as scallop meat. At the opening line, a worker positions each shell and inserts a thin, sanitized blade along the inside surface. One careful cut releases the upper shell. The soft organs become visible, but the valuable muscle is still attached below. Workers separate the white adductor from the surrounding tissue without tearing its surface. The roe and other edible parts may be collected for separate products, depending on the factory. Empty shells also lead through another route. In only a few seconds, a heavy rough shell becomes one small piece of delicate meat. But the scallop is not ready for freezing yet. Freshly removed scallop mussels still carry small pieces of membrane and tissue. These must be removed without cutting away good meat. At the trimming tables, workers rotate each scallop beneath strong inspection lights. Fingers feel for the firm side muscle. Small tools remove anything that does not belong in the final pack. The trimmed scallops enter a series of cold water rinses. Gentle agitation carries away shell dust and loose tissue. The water must clean the surface without soaking or damaging the natural texture. After rinsing, the scallops travel over a draining belt. Excess water falls away while cool air moves across the line. The meat is now smooth, pale, and recognizable. Yet every piece is still different. The next machines must turn that natural variation into consistent commercial portions.
Consistency begins with grading. Cameras and weighing systems study each scallop as it passes. Large pieces are guided toward one lane.
Consistency begins with grading. Cameras and weighing systems study each scallop as it passes. Large pieces are guided toward one lane. Medium and small pieces enter others. This allows every retail package to contain scallops with a similar size and cooking time. Workers continue to watch for cuts, dark marks, shell fragments, or unusual color. Some pieces are perfect in flavor but irregular in shape. Those may be directed toward chopped seafood products instead of premium whole packs. Samples are also taken for laboratory checks. The factory is looking for more than appearance. Hygiene, temperature, and traceability must remain controlled through the entire batch. Once the scallops pass inspection, the conveyor begins spreading them apart. Separation is essential because the next stage must freeze every scallop as an individual piece.
The freezing tunnel is the coldest and most dramatic part of the factory. Scallops enter in separated rows as powerful fans drive extremely cold.
The freezing tunnel is the coldest and most dramatic part of the factory. Scallops enter in separated rows as powerful fans drive extremely cold air across every surface. Rapid freezing creates smaller ice crystals than slow freezing. This helps protect the natural structure and reduces moisture loss when the scallop is later thawed. Frost forms along the belt, but the individual pieces keep moving. By the time the scallops leave the tunnel, the soft, wet surface has become firm and dry to the touch. Each scallop is now frozen separately, so customers can remove only the amount they need. Before packaging, many frozen seafood products receive a very thin protective layer of ice. This glaze reduces exposure to dry air during frozen storage. The next line creates that barrier in seconds.
Multi-head weighers combine individual pieces until each portion reaches its target weight. The scallops fall into prepared pouches or trays.
The glazed scallops pass through another cold section to harden the new ice layer. Then the packaging line takes control. Multi-head weighers combine individual pieces until each portion reaches its target weight. The scallops fall into prepared pouches or trays. Air may be removed, depending on the package, before heat and pressure create a sealed edge. Every seal is checked because a tiny opening can expose the product during storage. The packs move through a metal detector and a final weight check. Workers inspect the clarity of the film, the position of the scallops, and the strength of the seal. Approved packages continue toward boxing. Rejected packages automatically leave the main conveyor. The transformation is almost complete, but the cold chain still cannot be interrupted.
The scallops separate easily. On a hot pan, the frozen product finally becomes food again. A golden crust forms outside while the center remains tender.
Finished packs enter insulated cartons and move into frozen storage, where rows of pallets wait beneath powerful refrigeration units. From here, the scallops can travel to supermarkets, restaurants, and commercial kitchens while remaining frozen. The package looks simple. Inside are scallops that have been washed, opened, trimmed, graded, inspected, individually frozen, glazed, weighed, and sealed. Hours earlier, the same white pieces were hidden inside rough shells filled with seawater. Now every portion is clean, consistent, and ready to cook. When one pack is opened, the value of individual freezing becomes clear. The scallops separate easily. On a hot pan, the frozen product finally becomes food again. A golden crust forms outside while the center remains tender. From cold sea to sealed pack, the transformation is complete.